Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your social media in a Buffer website where you can manage all your social media at one place. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I've already created my Buffer account. If you have not done that, please make sure you follow so that you can check out the video that I've created previously on how to sign up and also set up your Buffer account. So here I have all the channels that I want to connect. The channel that I have Facebook, Instagram, I have Twitter, LinkedIn, I have Threads, I have YouTube, TikTok, and all the social media that you can connect on Buffer. So let me say, for example, I want to connect Instagram. What I will do, I'll just click on it like that. Then here it gives me two types of accounts that I can connect to. There's that personal account, the personal profile. Then you have professional, and the professional one is the one that is recommended. So you can have this where you can. It comes with an enhanced features where notification-based publishing, receive a mobile notification to post your self, automatic publishing, analytics, and engagement. This is the paid plans on the pricing, if you can check on that. But let me say I want to connect with my personal profile. What I'll do, I'll just click on this. Then you can see you will type in here the name of your personal account, just the one that you want to connect with. So you can just type the name there of your Instagram, then click continue. Once you click on continue, it takes you to this section where you can create a post with Notify Me on, open the Buffer app and all that, but I don't want to go through those steps to set up the notification. What I'll do, just click Remind Me Later. Then directly my Buffer website will start connecting to my Instagram channel. Instagram. Now here I have my Instagram connected. It has popped up here and it's opening up, so it takes a minute. So it gives me all done, get started with the posting goal and all that. So I will still skip this stage where I just skip it. Then I can come here. Now I have unlock automatic publishing for free and all that. It has automatically given me the dates that it's scheduled, given me a schedule on what I'm going to post or which day and all that. So don't have a goal in mind, no worries. It has already set up your schedule, and you can also use the calendar to see what you're sharing. You can also share with get a feedback from that. You can also shift this, switch your personal profile to professional account if you want. And if you have not created, if you don't have a personal account, you can also learn and get a guidance from how you're going to create your personal account and all that. You have support. They have it here. They have given you how to do that. So you can just scroll up, go up where you have using Instagram with Buffer. You have how Instagram works with Buffer. You can create these features that are available for Instagram and all that, publishing, analytics, and engagement. So you can go down and go through this menu and see how you can set up your professional account. But that is how you can connect to Instagram. Let's see if we can connect with Facebook. You can go to a section where you have Facebook. Then do you want to connect as a group or a page? Let me pick page, then click continue like that. Once you click on continue, it will take you to the Facebook page that you want to log in. So you can continue, click on that. Then it will automatically connect to your Facebook account. It takes a minute there. Now it's connecting. We have our Facebook, then click finish connection. Then our channel is now connected. We have now connected our Facebook page and we have connected our Instagram. Just skip this stage. So here I can now start posting any information. You see now it's telling you to also connect to your thread and other social media. If you want to go for more, you can see you don't have TikTok here, just show more channels, click on it, then they will pop up. The same process, you can connect with YouTube, TikTok, and other channels to make sure you optimize them using your buffer, and also manage all of your social media platforms on just on Buffer website. So that is how you can connect your social media accounts on Buffer, and to make sure that you can increase efficiency in management and see and also do analysis on this platform. So if you found this video helpful, please like it, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.